In the Japanese practice, known as Shinrin-Yoku, or forest bathing, we immerse ourselves in the restorative embrace of nature in 3 steps. 1. Disengage. 2. Breathe and interact with nature. 3. Transition ourselves back into daily life. It is through this connection with nature that we rediscover the ancient bond between humanity and the gifts of the earth. Over 3 decades ago, Japan recognized the powerful potential of forests and initiated a national health program centered around forest bathing. Since then, Shinrin-Yoku has become a standard practice in Japanese culture, with designated healing forests scattered across the country and countless clinical studies validating its transformative power. Since 2004, the Japanese Society of Forest Therapy has uncovered fascinating, evidence-based insights into the physiological and psychological systems that flourish in the presence of nature. It transcends the realm of the body, extending its nurturing effects to mental and emotional realms. Studies have shown its efficacy in providing mental relaxation and cultivating a sense of balance and well-being. Forest air alone accounts for half of the beneficial health effects of forest bathing. The oxygen-rich environment invigorates us, but it is the trees and plants that offer something extraordinary. They release phytoncides, airborne compounds that protect them from environmental threats. Many of the discovered benefits of forest bathing are attributed to these compounds. Research not only reveals the interconnectedness between humans and the natural world around us, but urges us to reconnect with our native environment and foster the world within us. Nature is our timeless sanctuary. It's where we came from. It's where we have always belonged.